Hello, welcome back. I'm Carlette.
And I'm Terrence.
And today we are cooking.
And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut up my bacon and it's going into my collard greens. And as you can see that I'm cutting up some bacon in small pieces. And I'm going to fry it a little bit for it to go in my greens. And then I'm going to start by seasoning my water real good for my greens. And I'm going to let this cook so I can get some of the grease off the off the bacon into my pot of greens that I'm going to put in there. So I'm basically just cutting up some bacon right now to go in my greens, and I'm going to fry it. And then I'm going to put it in my water. So just let y'all see a little bit what I'm doing, starting out.
Now we both have on our fall aprons for the fall.
I think I'm going to cut up like a whole pack of bacon, so it'll be good and seasoned. As you can see, I'm cutting up a whole pack of bacon. I'm going to take my time to cook this. As you can see, I'm here getting ready to cook my bacon, because I'm going to pull some of the grease off the bacon into the water for my greens. And it's going to give it some seasoning. And then once I get that done, I got my water going for my greens. So I'm going to put the bacon in there first. Stir the greens up a little bit. The bacon up a little bit for my greens. Just getting it wet. I'm going to add it to my water.
The bacon is in the crock pot.
Now I'm going to add the greens.
Now you put the greens in the crock pot.
You got to take the time to put them in there, because they'll be everywhere. I'm trying to be just like I can. You put a little at a time and push them down. And this is going to be a big pot. Take your time. See what I'm talking about? They'll come out like they want. Once you get all your greens in there, you want to push them down some. But they're going to cook down by themselves. So we're going to get them down like this. I'm going to put a top on it.
Terrence making macaroni.
Hi, I'm Terrence. I just got through boiling my noodles. And once I boil my noodles, I got them in a pan. But you know you want to let your noodles cool off a little bit because you don't want them to be too hot because you're going to add egg and you're going to add sour cream. So first I'm going to get my egg out. Hold on a minute. And I'm gonna beat up 2 eggs in a bowl. Actually, I'm gonna use about 4 eggs because the eggs what keep us together. Hey, if you move, I wouldn't get it.
Can't see that. Can't see that.
Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna beat up these 4 eggs because they're gonna go inside my noodles. Just beat them up like you're doing a scrambled egg or something. And once you beat them up good, just scramble them, you know. Once you get them scrambled, you're gonna add them to your egg. And once you get all of it added to your egg, you're gonna mix it all up together. And I usually like to use my hand because it mixes better. So I'm going to scramble these up with mix these up with my hands. And once I get them all mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and add my milk. With your carnation, evaporated milk, good. You're going to mix that in also. And then I need a little salt. But I don't have it with me, so I'm going to get the salt. Just sprinkle. Mix it all up together. And then I'm going to add my sour cream. Here's my sour cream. I'm going to mix it up a little bit and make it a little bit thinner so I can get it in there good like I want it. I'm going to mix that in. And now I'm going to come back with my cheese. You see that? I got the sour cream mixed in, I got the milk mixed in, and the egg mixed in all together. You know, remember I bought my noodles. This is not a real big pan. Because I usually make more than that. But I'm going to take this. Sorry. I'm going to take this cheese. This regular cheddar shop I use And I'm gonna mix this in also. Gotta do that for me. Charlotte, what you wear?
Yeah.
I'm gonna mix this in. This cheese in. Remember, I told you this is not a big thing. And I'm gonna take this and sprinkle it around. You're gonna leave it out at the top, like a top on it. And top it off with cheese. And once I top it off with cheese like this, I'm gonna add some more butter on the top of it, because you don't want it to be dry. So I'm gonna add a couple pieces of butter, not big pieces, just some pieces to, top it off to make it don't be so dry when you cook it. Like this. And that'll be enough right there. Okay. So now it's going in the oven. The oven is already set at 400. So all I gotta do is sit it in the middle rack. And about 35, 40 minutes, we'll have homemade macaroni and cheese. And I thank you for looking in on our YouTube channel. My name is Terrence. Bye-bye.
This is the hamburger and hot dogs. And this is the macaroni that Terrence cooked. And this includes the end of the video. Bye.